you're right. When you're right, you're right. When you're wrong, I'm looking at you like you know something wrong with you. Okay, here we go. One more again. Like this, he said, you're gonna grab about not the regular battery, it's the high power
one, the high power ones, the gray ones.
So grab it.
And engineering, they have the caution signs.
Yep, it's the same. It's a hazard sign, right?
Hazard signs.
Means careful, you might get shot.
Oh yeah.
We got to do 4. That's all we do.
We can do 4. Charlie Brown resistors. That's what it's called, right?
All right, man. Ask the questions for points in a moment. All right, so let's think about it. The next thing is, with you looking at this screen real quickly, and how many batteries you have there, how many volts do you have here in voltage, in terms of volts? How much voltage? Huh?
3.
4,000. Somebody say 4,000. 4,000 apples, oranges.
3,000.
Volts. No, he's right, 4,000.
Oh,
Got 4 batteries here. And guess how you would know, Ishmael got 10. How would you know what the value is, right? He just said it.
Values, put on
So
values.
he cheated, he said values, he said values 10, right? Because Ishmael just knew, and I did it on purpose. I didn't turn on nothing. I just want to see if you knew. But he said it, so he probably turned him on already. Next thing, how do we save this circuit in terms of a lightning storm or too much power? No, not yet. Somebody said it. Who said that? Thank you. That was a shell in the back. Because you got 10, you got to give it to someone who's sitting in as an LA
The ammeter.
Wait, Trevor, let me get a point to. You are right, though. Who? Tanya? Okay, you got to put it in your document, Tanya. Yeah, she's nodding like she understands. All right, so that was what he said. Fuse, we'll put that here. And Destiny helped us out some, so let's grab that too. Destiny got 10.
Yeah, 10.
All right, so that means we're remembering stuff. And the switch, just like I turned off the lights in here, that's what that is, the switch.
And make sure
Leave it open though, because when you close it, think of a drawbridge, right? The current can flow. Leave the switch open. We don't work on hot circuits, right? All right, so next, we got to slow this circuit down with something. Somebody told me what it was a moment ago.
Wires.
Not yet. Resistor.
Dang it. So 3.
No,
Charles Brown.
10. Stop trying to finesse me.
3. I use 3. You gotta use 3, Mr.
Yes, you can take 5 for that. I was going to say how many, but you said it. All right, we're going to slow down. Before we get to the light bulbs and stuff, we're going to make another path. Remember I told you about a moment ago what a parallel circuit looks like?
2 lines.
Or 3 or 4, right? You can have it as long as it's parallel.
Circuit is a circle or a box.
Take one, and we're going to put it right in between here, like as if we're going to make a parallel. Right? We're going to take, come up here, we're going to use smaller resistors.
Smaller?
Yeah, because we ran out of the bigger resistors, right? You notice the bigger resistors ran out. See?
Oh.
Can't use them. Use too many. So basically you use a maximum of 4. And I'm going to take a moment and now create my string or array of light bulbs over here. So let's go ahead and get, what light bulb did I use? Y'all remember?
The red ones.
Who said Charlie Brown?
The red.
Red is not exactly it.
Brown light.
Charlie Brown though is right? Because the red ones, Destiny, they come from a different place.
Dang it.
So grab your, I call them Charlie Browns.
No.
Rotate them like I do so you have room. And leave space like so you can come around, right? Think of a loop, a small loop here.
See, I wish we had mouses so we don't have to.
I'm going to try to put in a word and Mr. Banky see if they can order some mice. It's not mouse season. It's not. That's a poor way you say a mouse.
No, like for the computer.
Right, so the mouse is singular, mice is plural. So I'm
Mouses.
Mike, I need some more mices. No, Dad, that's not. looking great. We're going to put a new type of bulb. Destiny mentioned it a moment ago. So I'm going to give it points. Right? My question to you, Jim, is how do I get access to this red light bulb? Hey, you can't get nothing else in the shell. Jeez. All right, so can she take the 10? You know what you're talking about. Oh, you want to give it to Tanya again? All right. Y'all must be friends. You can look. All right, now we're going to take the advance, right? Hit that. And like Michelle said, hit add. And when you click on that, this new light bulb comes up in your toolkit. We're going to put this on this parallel branch right here. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Right. She's right. I can't. Michelle don't miss a beat. But the thing is, one addition, Michelle mentioned that you have to put one there because we can't know the current because these are parallel circuits. The current will change on these branches, right? I mean, the current will say the series will change
Now
the
we put
branches.
wires on.
Not yet. You also got another current here. So take these resistors from here.
Another meter?
So connect the resistor, the bulb, and the ammeter up.
This is some bull crap.
Told you it's slightly different today. Alright, now let's wire everything up, alright?
On my knees. Now we use the wires, thank God.
Try to wire it like me so you don't run wires.
Who said that? Yo, you tweaking.
Try to do it like me, take your time. Don't move to the leader while y'all try to fix this. Make it work.
Take your time, fellas. Take your time.
Me and Mesa, oh, okay. Okay.
It don't have to be perfect, just try to.
Well, you gotta try to make it like mine. It's not saying perfect, but it can't look weird. You can do that. Take time, it'll work. You just gotta really be careful with what connects to what. Make sure your connections are solid black. If you see a red circle on a connection point, that means something was cut or was never connected. Almost through, I promise you. For this one, I'm gonna rotate the bulb this way. This is save wires, so do as I do. That way we can see what's happening. It's easy on us. Right?
Why is it red?
Well, it depends on what's red, like connection point. We also need to measure the voltage. We saw that in our terms today, right? So, like Ishmael said, 4,000 volts, correct? Take this one, we're going to measure across this bulb system. So we're going to take the first one, put it there. The last one, we're going to put it
Well, you found.
right here, okay?
You
Instigation, stop.
It's not a bully.
Yeah, I got you, but I'm teaching, so stay on subject. Close. The switch. Looks like nothing broke, but I have a problem. Some of my bowls are not on. Can you see that? How can I fix? Why is your hand up? Come on.
Oh, I had a question.
What?
Do you want them to round or the exact answer?
Round to 2 decimal places.
2 decimal places?
Mhm.
Round to
So it's like the first number, the wrong number to the decimal number. That's not. Third digit is what determines the round up.
That's not a code copy.
So 2 decimal places.
That's
Then you
like,
got your decimal.
I don't know, man.
All right. So let's finish this up because I gotta get to your we do next, and I'm looking at this clock and run out of time. So, with that said, because there's a lot of people that we do again. Nothing broke. I do want to try to get this bowl up. The question I'm going to ask for 10 more points is how can I get these bowls to turn on?
Show me something.
What?
Open it up.
Open it up. What? You got to talk like an engineer. You're talking like street knowledge or something.
Alright, you gotta click on the bolt.
Click it on what?
Click on the light, bro.
The votes are needed.
No, it's not the light, bro.
Alright, so I don't know.
Okay.
Get off.
What did we do last time?
Oh, increase the
Oh,
There you go.
oh my God.
Take 10 points. Now you sound like an engineer.
Dang, Lord.
But we gotta be careful, right? That's why this ammeter is right there. It'll pop our fuses to go over 4. So increase it, but be careful.
And that happened in real life.
Pop!
pop.
How can I fix this?
Decrease it.
Oh, I want my bowls to be right. I can't decrease it.
You only did one.
I just increased one battery.
Nah, you didn't do one.
No, because the fuse bolt busted. How do I fix this? We'll see this next week. You might remember? Nobody had this last year, right?
Don't even think about your.
Well, what we would do normally, if this happened in your house or say your car, you have to go to Menards, Lowe's, or something, and replace the fuse.
Oh my God.
So,
I said that. I meant to say replace my
so
fuse.
click on the fuse. Listen, because you're going to do this next week with me, and you're going to know how to do it. You're going to click on the fuse, and we're going to change the fuse from 4 amps, because that was too much for it, to 20 amps. So let's put a high-powered, more stronger fuse in there. We're going to pop it in there and see if we can get this going again. So that's what this is here for, replace the wire that the fuse was broken with. Oh my God, you see this?
Oh,
Jesus. Wow.
that's so much energy.
That is what you don't want to happen. The bowls are on. Take the screenshots. Take the screenshot. You burned the circuit. Now you could troubleshoot this. I want you to take the circuit this way. This is what you don't do. This is how you get sued, right? But the lights are on. I'm going to show you how to fix this next week. First screenshot with the fire and everything, right? Second screenshot that might get you fired on the job is this. You can't see. You can see the fire still, even on blueprint mode. Next week, we're going to figure out how to fix things like this, all right? Take your screenshots.